Patel family craved a sanctuary, a haven nestled amidst the whispering leaves on the outskirts of the bustling capital. Their children, blooming into young adults, yearned for increasing independence. But the family also cherished their connection, their shared laughter echoing through the halls. The challenge was to design a home that wasn't just a house, but a living testament to their evolving needs, a nest that nurtured both autonomy and togetherness. The answer lay not just in bricks and mortar, but in the embrace of the land itself. The architects meticulously mapped the existing trees, the slope of the ground, and the sun's daily path. Their vision, to minimize disruption, to seamlessly integrate the family's haven with the existing ecosystem. The former tennis court became the heart of this project, a natural clearing transformed into a central courtyard bathed in dappled sunlight. Here, nature reigned supreme, with meticulously landscaped undergrowth, ivy, and ferns weaving a tapestry of life. The resulting design echoed this reverence for nature. A simple, flat roof structure rested on a solid base of beige stone, its color mimicking the earth it emerged from. This base, invisible from outside, cradled the heart of the home. It controlled the outdoor space with a pool, a place for family gatherings and shared laughter. Rising from this base was the E-Day volume, a living space veiled in a semi-reflective glaze that mirrored the surrounding greenery. Only the horizontal line of the roof peeked through, a clean, modern silhouette against the vibrant backdrop. Turning their attention to the night volume, the architects tucked it discreetly into the slope, its presence barely noticeable. This clever positioning allowed the living area to overlook the central clearing, with the roofs of the base cleverly transformed into additional terraces, extending the living space seamlessly outdoors. This U-shaped base embraced the natural contours of the land, creating an intimate haven at the core of the project. Towering trees, their leaves filtering the sunlight, became the final touch, nature's grand architects, lending their character to the ensemble. The Patel family's nest was complete, a harmonious blend of independence and togetherness, a testament to the enduring power of family, woven seamlessly into the fabric of the natural world.